Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quality bricks. Crafting durable bricks involves several critical steps, from selecting the right raw materials to the final firing process. We'll explore how careful attention to each stage ensures a strong, long-lasting product. Understanding these fundamentals is key to producing bricks that meet high standards for construction and longevity. Let's dive into the essential techniques for superior brick manufacturing. Selecting the correct raw materials is foundational for quality bricks. Clay, shale, or concrete form the base, with sand often added to enhance workability and minimize shrinkage. The water content is also vital, usually ranging from 15 to 25% of the total weight. Achieving a perfectly homogeneous mix through thorough blending ensures uniform properties and strength throughout every single brick produced. Once materials are mixed, forming the bricks is the next crucial step. Common methods include extrusion, pressing, or traditional molding, each impacting the brick's final characteristics. Extrusion, for example, produces very dense and uniform bricks. Following formation, controlled drying is essential to slowly remove moisture, preventing internal stresses and cracks. This careful process ensures the bricks maintain their structural integrity before firing. The final stage is firing, where bricks are heated to extremely high temperatures, often exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius. This vitrifies the clay, developing the brick's ultimate strength, durability, and characteristic color. After firing, rigorous quality control is paramount. Tests for compressive strength and water absorption ensure each brick meets industry standards. A quality brick typically boasts a compressive strength greater than 17 megapascals, guaranteeing its performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.